Let's do this.
What's up? My name is Zmoney. This is a song called Rolling in the Streets slash My Dog Doesn't Know God Exists. I wrote this because I recently went through a breakup and I've been spending a lot of time thinking and like being with my thoughts and stuff. And like I've just been getting existential crises, you know? My dog, he hangs out with me all the time. He's so cool. He's dope. His name is Brandon. Yeah. I'm rolling through the streets with the windows down, empty passenger seat, feeling like a clown. Things ain't been the same since you left town. Yeah, so like, basically, I drive through the streets, right, with my windows down because my AC doesn't work. And, I used to have my shorty riding shotgun, but she found a dude with AC in his car, so. Sorry. Let's keep going. Acting like a dog, you know that I'm a hound. Where'd my baby go? She never came around. Can't take this pain no more. My dog is at my door. Should I let him in? Hey, should I let him in? Should I let him in? If I'm not rolling through the streets with my windows down, I'm lying in the sheets with my thoughts running around, looking to the ceiling, asking God why he take my baby, why he take my shawty. Mama dog's barking at me, saying he gotta go potty. Yeah, oh my gosh, my dog don't know God. My dog don't know God. Yeah, my dog doesn't know God. My dog don't know God. It's like sometimes I be dancing and then I get sad, you know? So like, you know, like I'm vibing and then I just remember that my for-lifer, my ride or die. My dog doesn't care, like, he doesn't even speak English. He knows sit, that's it. But like basically, like he doesn't know God. And I just think he needs to go take a leak. And like, he just doesn't know God. And so I lost it, you know? So before I let him out, I prayed for his salvation. And then I gave him a little pat on the back, said go potty. And then when he came back, I read him the Bible. Yeah. You know, he really likes Revelations. And my dog doesn't know God yet. God knows him. Yeah. Amen. That was my impression, but I sampled that from my dog. I thought it was pretty tight. We got a nice little harmony in there. Yeah.